You're looking at question number 22. Question number 22 says find y if I have two matrices multiplied together. I have a 2 by 2 matrix which consists of elements 5, minus 6, 2, minus 7, and I have a 2 by 1 matrix. It's a 2 by 1 matrix since it just has 2 rows, x and y in those rows, and just 1 column, and is all equal to 7, minus 11. So basically, if I have this matrix, we need to understand that there are certain rules that guide the operation of the multiplication of matrices. If I have a matrix A given as A, B, C, D, and I have a matrix B to be given as X, Y, we come to understand that if we need to multiply matrices, we multiply the rows by the columns. So what are the rows I have here? In A, I have A, B, C, D. Those are the 2 rows. C and D on the last row, A and B on the first row. Then in matrix B, looking at the columns in matrix B, I just have 1 column which consists of X and Y. So the rows will be multiplied by columns. So in AB, I would have A times X, the first element in the first row, multiply with the first element in the first column of the other matrix. So basically, second element in the row multiply with the second element in the other matrix. So basically, I'll have A times X plus B times Y. Then on the second row, I would have C times X, C multiplying the first element and D multiplying the second element. So basically, this is the format. So in inequality of matrices, you need to realize that if I have a matrix, let's say A equals to AB and B equals to CD, and the 2 matrices are equated, you would have the elements here should be equal to the elements here. Elements in corresponding positions would be equated. So in looking at the question, I have 5, 2, minus 6, minus 7, into brackets x, y, is all equal to 7, minus 11. What would this become? This would definitely become 5 times x. So I would have 5x plus, now minus 6 times y. So I would have minus 6y. Now 2 times x, I would have 2x. Now minus 7, that will be plus, minus 7 times y, that will be minus 7y. Is all equal to 7 minus 11. So remember the concept of equality of matrices. From this basic concept, we could therefore say that the element in the first row, first column, will be equal to the element in the first row, first column of the matrix on the other side of the equation. So therefore, I would have 5x plus times minus will give me minus 6y will be equals to 7. And I would have 2x plus times minus, that will be minus 7y is all equal to minus 11. So we'll take the first equation as equation 1. We'll take the second equation as equation 2. So basically in these 2 equations, we need to find a way of eliminating one of the variables, either x or y. But notice the question says find y. Since the question says find y, the smart alternative here will be to eliminate x so that y will be gotten quickly. So we'll eliminate x. So let's eliminating x, we make sure that the coefficients of x in both equations are same. In equation 1, the coefficient of x is 5. In equation 2, the coefficient of x is 2. So in eliminating x, we basically use that concept. So from the equations, from equation 1, I would multiply equation 1 by 2. Everything in equation 1 would be multiplied by 2. So basically equation 1, I would have 2 into bracket 5x minus 6y equal to 7. Everything there will be multiplied by 2. And equation 2 will be multiplied by 5. In order to make the values of x in both equations to be the same. So I will have 5 into brackets 2x minus 7y is all equal to minus 11. At the end of this multiplication, we need to make sure that the coefficients of x are the same. So therefore, 2 times 5x, that will give me 10x. 2 times minus 6y, that will be minus 12y. 2 times 7, that will be equal to 14. Now, for the second equation, I'll have 5 times 2x, that will give me 10x. 5 times minus 7y, that will be minus 35y. 5 times minus 11, that will be equals to minus 55. So, I will have 10x minus 12y equals to 14 as equation 3, which since is different from equation 1. And I will have 10x minus 35y equals to minus 55 as equation 4. So basically, eliminating x, we subtract equations. So I'm going to subtract equation 3. I'm going to subtract equation 3 from equation 4, or basically we say subtract equation 4 from equation 3. That's the same as equation 3 minus equation 4. So 10x minus 10x, that will give me 0. Now I have minus 12y. I have minus 12y minus 35y. Now minus times minus will give me plus. So basically minus 12y minus 35y will give me plus 23y. All equal to, this is the equality sign, 14 minus 55, that will give me 69. So therefore I would have 23y is all equals to 69. So dividing through by 23y over 23 will be equals to 69 all over 23. Cancelling out 23 cancels out 23. 23 in 23 will give me 1. 23 in 69 will give me 3. Therefore, I would have y is all equals to 3. Scanning through the options, that corresponds with option C.
Did you enjoy the video? Get a prep class tutor today. Call 080-59-811-502 or 090-3532-1117.